And Defence Minister Rajnath Singh hit out at Rahul Gandhi over his claims of evidence against the Election Commission of voter manipulation. The Defence Minister said that Rahul Gandhi said he has prepared an atom bomb of proofs on the rigging of votes by the EC. Its atomic test should be done immediately. The fact is, says Rajnath, that he does not have any proof or evidence. Yesterday, Rahul Gandhi had said they have evidence from Madhya Pradesh as well as Maharashtra, that they have probed the matter for 6 months and it's an atom bomb of evidence.
मध्य प्रदेश में सस्पिशन था, लोकसभा में सस्पिशन था, महाराष्ट्र में वो थोड़ा आगे गया, स्टेट लेवल पे हमें लगा कि यहां पे चोरी हुई है, वोटर एडिशन हुआ था, 1 करोड़ वोटर्स ऐड हुए थे। फिर हम थोड़ा डिटेल में गए, हमने कहा देखो अब इलेक्शन कमीशन तो मदद नहीं कर रहा है, तो थोड़ी ग्रैन्युलैरिटी में जाना है, गहराई में जाना है। तो हमने अपना ही इन्वेस्टिगेशन करवाया, उसमें 6 महीने लगे और जो हमें मिला है वो एटम बॉम्ब है। मतलब एटम बॉम्ब है, फटेगा तो आप इलेक्शन कमीशन आपको दिखेगा नहीं हिंदुस्तान में।
विपक्ष द्वारा संसद को बाधित किया गया है और कल नेता प्रतिपक्ष ने फिर से एक अनर्गल बयान दिया है और उन्होंने कहा है कि चुनाव आयोग द्वारा वोट चोरी को लेकर उन्होंने सबूतों का एटम बम तैयार किया है। मैं राहुल जी से कहना चाहूंगा बहुत विनम्रता के साथ, अगर आपके पास सबूतों का एटम बम है तो उसका परीक्षण तुरंत कर डालिए, एटॉमिक टेस्ट तुरंत हो जाना चाहिए। सारे सबूत जनता के सामने रखिए, सारे सबूत जनता के सामने रखिए। मगर सच्चाई यह है कि उनके पास न कोई तथ्य है, न सबूत है। सनसनीखेज बातें करना उनकी पुरानी आदत है।
All right, let's go across to Anushka now for more on this story. And Anushka, a big controversy over what Rahul Gandhi said yesterday when he claimed to have so much evidence. He claimed it's like an atom bomb that they have been collecting and probing of voter manipulation. Rajnath Singh, really challenging Rahul Gandhi that if you claim to have so much proof, just release it, saying that he doesn't have this evidence.
That's right, Gargi. Once again, we are seeing a face-off between the BJP and the Congress regarding the voter manipulation. What we are seeing here is that Rahul Gandhi has, in fact, accused the Election Commission of India of, regarding their, regarding how the Election Commission of India was not, in fact, paying attention towards the voter list theft that was, in fact, happening. Rahul Gandhi had said that in Madhya Pradesh election, they had their suspicions about how the voter list was, in fact, being, the voter theft was, in fact, being held there. But then after Maharashtra election, the Congress party had in fact done their own, check, their own fact check on this particular thing. They said that the Congress party took 6 months to check about how the voter list was in fact being manipulated and how the voter theft was in fact being done. He had said, and I am quoting, that there is an atom bomb of proof that Rahul Gandhi said that he has and the Congress party has, to which Rajnath Singh, the defense minister, has in fact quoted that Congress party has blood in their hands. This is not just political immaturity, but also an attack on constitutional bodies, of India. Not just that, Rajnath Singh has also come out and has hit out Rahul Gandhi, saying that this is not just a slap for Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party about their recent comments, but also has said that this is not how any leader of opposition should speak, in a manner which is not factual. He has said that Rahul Gandhi should in fact come forth and, share the whole detail, the atom bomb of the evidence in front of the people, in front of the public, so that the public can themselves decide as to what happened there. What is being called as a voter list theft is in fact Congress party trying to gain electoral votes and trying to undermine people's faith in the political constitutional bodies. And this is how we are seeing the showdown between Rajnath Singh and Rahul Gandhi. Over to you.